What's up, guys? Welcome back to another new video. So today we are going to replace this timer for this dryer. This is a really short video. Now, it's very simple. Very simple. You gotta remove the timer knob first. Right after that, what you want to start working on is all the 1/4" screws that you have on the back. I believe there might be like about 6. After you do that, you want to get yourself a putty knife so you can slide on the left and right hand side of the control panel, because it has these little springs. As soon as you feel like you push them inwards, you will lift up and remove the panel. All right, there you go. One side, other side. And back panel almost fell on me. And there you go. We have the timer right there in the middle. Now it's going to consist of, I think, 4 connectors. They're not like individual wires. They're just literally 4 connectors with a lot of individual wires. So what you want to do is just start disconnecting them. And there's not really a way where you can misconnect these, like connect them in the wrong place, because they're all to size. So just disconnect all the disconnectors. After that, I believe it is being held on by a 1/4" screw on the side of the timer. After you remove that one, you're simply just going to lift up and it should come out. That's where the timer knob also comes into play. You remove that because you won't be able to pull upwards on the timer. So right after you remove it, go ahead and put in that those 1/4" screws to hold it in place, and then literally just start working backwards. Now, I believe the reason why they are replacing this timer is because it might have not been heating. Now, if you went to the back of the dryer and you checked every connection and everything marks as continuity and it's not open, nothing shorted, then sometimes, yes, the timer will be the one that's messing up because it's not sending power to the correct mechanisms in order to activate your heating element. Now, after you put everything back together, just be sure all the screws are in place. And like I said, guys, take your pictures, have a starting point, so you don't mess up when it's time to put everything back together. That might be the worst feeling ever, when you can't reassemble something the way that it was. Don't be there. Don't be that guy. Be the good guy, the great guy. Now, after we are done here, we are going to put that panel back into place, slide the control panel back, and test it out. And really that'll really will be all that we need to do. These dryers are very simple. It's an electrical dryer, very simple to diagnose, very simple, very simple to fix if it's not the motor or the blower. And even if it was a gas one, it would be simple as well. But electrical dryers of this caliber, of this kind, very simple to diagnose, very simple to fix, and very simple to install certain parts on it, except if it's the blower and the wheel. That one it's not complicated, like you can't do it, but it'll take you some time to do it. Now, after we connect it and test it, we are good to go, buddy. Now, I do want to say again, I appreciate everything and little views that you guys are able to give me. I try my best to find any appliance to work on so we can show you guys, but bear with me if sometimes I cannot upload different appliances. I kind of work with what I got, but I will do my best. Thank you for watching. Peace.